joined the trend of tall displays with the U11 Plus arrival in November and now jumps on the hype train of face unlock with the HTC U11 EYEs, announced today. The phone has the same 18 to 9.6-inch screen as the flagship, but comes with the upper mid-range Qualcomm 652 chipset and dual front cameras. The back of the phone sports a 12 MP UltraPixel OIS camera with f/1.7 aperture. It can shoot slow-mo 1080p videos at 120 fps. HTC joins the face unlock trend with the U11 EYEs. The dual selfie cameras are the eyes of the new phone. They are 5 MP with f/2.2 aperture and are used with the face unlock feature that became trendy again after the iPhone X came around. The dual cam setup also supports portrait mode, artificial background blurring, aka bulk effect, and plenty of our Snapchat-like stickers. The HTC U11 EYEs Snadpragon 652 chipset comes with 4GB RAM. The storage is 64GB and you get a microSD card slot for expanding it. The battery has 3930 mAh capacity, the same as the HTC U11 Plus. Similarities with the current flagship are also seen on the outside. The body comes with the liquid surface finish that HTC uses since the U11. Dimensions of the U11 EYEs are 157.9 by 74.99 by 8.5 mm with a weight of 185 grams. The phone will come in 3 colors, red, silver blue, and black. Another highlight of the U11 EYEs is the edge-sense pressure-sensitive frame with squeeze gestures. The phone is IP67 compliant and has Bluetooth 4.2, Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC and USB-C port over USB 2.0. Pricing of the phone is 14,900 Taiwan dollars, or $410/$505. Pre-ordered units will come with accessories worth 2,000 Taiwan dollars, around your $55/$50, will arrive on February 9th when is the official launch date.